This is the bird. This is the bird that keeps moving away from me. You see? Watch. I'm gonna show you.
He don't like you.
Hi, birdie.
He don't like
See? See? He moves away from me. Watch, watch, watch. Watch. Hey! He don't like me.
For the record, when I was here, he looked at me.
Hello!
He don't like you.
Hello!
Testing, 1, 2.
Oh, that's jolly.
Sometimes I look like a mess. Just saying.
Hey, you looked forward for the first time. You don't really like me. Look. He moves away. You know what? I have enough of him. His name is Petrie, and it says do not touch my cage. And he just pooped. That was nasty.
You made me laugh so hard that I'm crying.
Okay, well,
It's so funny.
we're gonna go now. This is the hotel, by the way. This is the entrance and stuff. That's my mom and Shayla checking in. And this is checkers. Me and Jolly was just playing. And this is a bird again.
Made me cry.
Okay, bye.